Hi guys, this is the Tech Boy, and today I will be doing a review and update on Windows. So I have not done this in a long time, so I'm glad to be back. This is a review and update of Windows 10 build 18282. Thank you for watching. So, as you can see, a huge new change in this update is the difference in theming. So in build 18282, you can see that the taskbar is now light themed, and the start menu is now light themed, and Action Center is also now light themed. I think that's beautiful. So if we actually go into personalize, we can take a look. So we can see right here too, you can see that it's white. You can see in colors, you can choose your color, light, dark, or custom. So let's say we do dark. Okay, now you can see taskbar, start menu, Action Center, and your apps are all dark now. Okay, now if we do custom, we can make it so the Windows is light but the apps are dark, or the apps are light and Windows is dark. You get that? See, this is what it was like before. Apps are light, Windows is dark. But see, that is inconsistent, which is why they made it so we have the Windows light and apps light. I think that's perfect, and they should never change that again, personally. I think it's perfect the way it is. There's also in theming, we have Windows and Windows light. If you notice, there's a new wallpaper. This is for everything. This is the new default wallpaper. It's beautiful. Oops, did not mean to do that. So we have Windows and Windows light. So let's say we choose Windows. This is how it used to be. We have light and dark. So shell is dark, this is light. The shell is like taskbar, start menu, Action Center, etc. So let's say we choose Windows light. This is how I like it. I think it's perfect. I've been wanting this theme for, you don't even want to know how long. Probably like a year and a half now. I mean, I've gone crazy trying to get Microsoft to get this theme. You can literally see, if we go in Feedback Hub, how crazy I've been going to literally, oh yeah, my people is not light yet. When it goes with that, they gotta fix that. But what I was saying is, I've been going so crazy to get them to make this theme. I've been literally going out of my mind, and I was so excited to see that they did it. So if we search light theme, it was this thing. I did not post this, but I posted like 4 of these. I'm crazy. But you could see, love you, MS, and thanks so much, my most awaited change. And I have been waiting this, if you could see my earliest comment, next, wow, it was a long time ago. This, and even before this, I was doing it. I mean, it's been even before this. I mean, I've been doing this for years. So where was it? I think it was after this, maybe. Yeah, but like I'm saying, I was doing it before this. Like I was doing it around here. I think I started posting right here. Please do this. Microsoft. That was 5 months ago. I swear I've been doing it more than a year. MS, just do it for God's sake. Check out my concept. So if you go on Chrome, I actually showed a concept of what I wanted at this link. It's pretty cool. You could see what I did. I actually like the one we have now better, but you could see that that's what I made. It basically looks exactly the same, except I didn't think Microsoft was going to do it, but they beat me. They made it even better than I made the concept for. They inverted these icon colors, which is perfect. I wanted them to back then. I just didn't think they would, so I made these light in my concept. But yeah, this is basically what they made, and I'm really happy. See, that was my concept. A lot of people want it too, and this guy, he's got it right on. I still can't believe that in 3 years of Windows 10 life and a year of Fluent Design, Microsoft's trying to add dark mode support, yet they don't even have the full light theme. I mean, that's completely true. I have never seen something so true. Clicked the wrong button. I didn't want previous. I wanted light. Oh yeah, this is the right one. So we can see now I gotten really mad. I said, move it, MS, get this in by the end of 1981. They did move once and for all, put this in. That was a week ago. And they finally put it in. And I love you, MS, thank you so much. So I have been wanting this. I put all of these, I mean, this wasn't me, nope. But one of them Was this mine? Nope. I think this was me. Nope, that's Dan. You'll see. This. Yeah, this was me. So I put this. I only got 3 upvotes, but Microsoft did put it in here. So it was added to the collection. And I think this might have been me. Yep, this was also me. So I went kind of crazy. Thank you for replying, Microsoft. And this one might have been me. This was me too. Yeah, this was very recent actually. So I have been going crazy, and they finally, as I've wished for so long, they put this in, and I love it. I just love it. So you can see that they have shadows on these things too, which I also love, adding their depth effect from Fluent Design. It's great. What was I gonna say? So what else did they do in 19H1? Well, search. You can see in search we now have a light up here too. That's a new change, light theme up here. They do have to change this though, just like they have to change my people. They have to change this sidebar in Cortana to match the light theme. You know what? Why don't I put that in right now? You guys can watch me make a feedback post. Isn't that cool? I bet you've never watched someone make a feedback post. So if I do add new feedback, I'm just gonna say, what's it called? Add light theme support to Cortana menu, sidebar menu. It is still dark. Needs light theme. And let's change this to Cortana sidebar menu and to my people interface. They are still dark. And need a light theme. And let's do a problem, desktop environment, color and themes. And I'm gonna say 4. Because it's not broken or unusable, but it's pretty bad. Let's continue. So, I technically should have something on here. I should have everything, but I don't have a feedback phenom, even though I have posted 50. I'll probably get it soon. This is cool. Oh, there it is, feedback phenom. Funny timing. So I bet if I close Feedback Hub and reopen it. Yeah, let's see. Just want to see if I actually have gotten this notification, because that would be cool. Yeah, it's starting to go a little bit slow now. I'm not sure. There we go. Yeah, I got everything. Cool. So I have all of my things. Wow. 5/16. That was May 16th, 2016. I was an insider. That's cool. So they have been changing a lot, that's for sure, and I love it. I like change, in fact, in Windows at least. So if we open an app, there is a teensy little bit of a bug. I did report this, but it's very hard to notice, but I bet some people noticed it besides me. If you see, and when you open an app, this is also another bug. My file explorer has been loading slowly lately, but if you open an app, you can see a slight black bar above the search in the light theme. That's a little bit of a bug. Yeah, and so is this. It's really annoying actually when this has been happening for multiple builds now. When I open File Explorer, it takes ages to load. And now I also have had a little bit of a strange incident where I have 2 File Explorers running. I'm not sure what that's all about, but I've had 2 Windows Explorers in here, and I really don't know why. Yeah, this is really cool though. I like it. I really do like it. I like to hide my Windows.old folder just in case I need to go back. I don't want it to look bad in here, but I don't want it to do that. You can hide the NVIDIA folder here that it uses. I guess NVIDIA was trying to update before. It's alright. Okay, so search, light theme. What else did they do? Well, let's take a look. Windows 10, 19H1, changelog. So this is mainly a almost like a fixes and stability update, but they're also adding lots of design changes, which, believe it or not, I do think that they need to make an update like this where they fix the design, they fix the stability, and they fix the security. I do think that they do need to make that because Windows has been buggy, as you know, lately. The October 2018 incident, they do need to spark up their game. I think maybe this spring update will be primarily a redesign, fixes, stability. I think that's what they need, and it's good. We don't know if they will include sets here. They have not done it yet. That would be nice, but if they don't, I'm fine with that coming fall 2019, as long as they make Windows look and work better, because that would be definitely nice. We need it. So the Windows shell has changed, of course. We do definitely have the logon screen. I'm not sure if I can lock it here, so I'm not going to, just in case it closes the video. But the logon screen has a nice acrylic blur now. Not the lock screen, but the logon screen, which is nice. I love it. Settings. You can use the settings app to do Ethernet settings. Yeah, so they have a new icon. I remember this. They have a new icon for the network when it's disconnected. I know. You have some storage settings and different things. Oh yeah, that's a big thing. You can uninstall inbox apps. So now you can right-click an inbox app. Let's say calculator. I love that shadow there. Very nice. So let's say I'm not going to uninstall it, but you can right-click and uninstall. So that is another thing. If you right-click things, we have acrylic on more surfaces, which I like. For example, on here we have acrylic. And I think there's no reveal, but we have acrylic on there. And acrylic on these menus too, which I definitely do really like. I do like that. It's starting to slow down again. I think it also is partly because I'm doing this video, it slows it down a tad bit. It does sometimes slow down, I will admit that. I could use an Explorer restart too, though. I definitely can. Oh, you know why it slowed down? We have this bug again where there are two Internet Explorers. I mean, not Internet Explorer. Is this like a separate... It's just a different process. Why? Just why? Why are there two of them? It makes no sense. Okay, I ended the other Windows Explorer, and now it's going fast again. Isn't that bizarre? That is a nasty bug that they need to fix. So what I was going to tell you is, in dark, I think that applies too. We still have that acrylic, acrylic in here too, in the dark theme. That's very nice. So both themes, we have the acrylic changes. That's nice. I do want to see one more time. Start with the switching. This applies. Yep, we got dark theme acrylic in there. Nice. Yeah, I like that they're making everything consistent. They need that. So miscellaneous changes. We just have some back buttons and settings, and so that's fixing and registry changes. And so that's so far. We do have some changes. I know the keyboard has a light theme too. I don't really know how to put it up on a desktop, but I do know that the keyboard has that. I need to do the Windows V. Yeah, I'm not sure if this was the October 2018 update that introduced this, but it actually keeps disabling. What I'm talking about is the clipboard viewing the history, and it's a really convenient feature. I just don't remember where it was. I think it was in here. Clipboard, yes, it was in here, where you have the clipboard viewing history. It is here. Windows logo key and V. It should be opening now, but it isn't. So let's turn that off, and then turn that on. And I definitely want to turn that on. I'm not sure why it wasn't. Okay, so let's see. It's still not pulling that up when I do window key V. That's weird. But yeah. Those are some changes. Some timeline. I know timeline is compatible with something it wasn't before. Oh, isn't that weird? Oh no, there we go. It was just loading slow. But yeah, I know what that is. So we just have some different things here. Yeah, timeline is a nice feature. So yeah, some other news besides this update on the October 2018 update is coming out. It came out again. It did come out again, but it is now causing some more problems, which is kind of crazy, but it is causing more problems. Not as big ones, but yes, this is crazy. A few lingering bugs. Breaks map drives, and some processor problems. Yeah, they really need to fix things, and this update is doing well with that. Obviously, fixing design, fixing internals, and I think that the spring 2019 update is going to be a very good update, and I think it's going to be the best one. So I like how they're inverting icons, very nice. Last thing I wanted to show you for the video is the To Do. Where is Microsoft To Do? Here it is, Microsoft To Do. This is a new app they're creating. It's actually very nice. Theming is a little bit confusing in it though. I do notice that you kind of change two at once, but like the theme colors and theme background, but it doesn't say color background. I don't know, I think they should do that, but yeah, this is kind of like a reminders app for Windows. It's nice looking, nice working. I do like that app, so it's nice. That is about it for this video, so thank you for watching.